Imagine a mysterious spot in the Indian Ocean where gravity is weaker than anywhere else on Earth. For over 75 years, scientists have puzzled over this gravity hole, a place where sea levels dip and gravity seems off. Now, thanks to groundbreaking research, we finally know what's behind this anomaly, and the answer? It lies deep beneath the ocean floor, millions of years in the making. Welcome to the mystery of the Indian Ocean gravity hole and the ancient collision that created it. Roughly 1,200 miles southwest of India lies a strange region known as the Indian Ocean Geoid Low, IOGL. Here, gravity is so weak that ocean water sinks by as much as 106 meters. That's about the height of a 35-story building. Satellites and ships passing through this region have long confirmed the anomaly, but its cause remained one of Earth's biggest geophysical puzzles. Why does this hole in gravity exist? Was it a sign of hidden structures, ancient tectonic activity, or something else entirely? Now, scientists from the Indian Institute of Science have finally cracked the code. Using supercomputer simulations, they look back 140 million years, to a time when the ancient Tethys Ocean was closing and the Indian plate was racing northward toward Asia. Their simulations revealed that as India broke away from the ancient supercontinent Gondwana, it collided with a massive oceanic plate beneath what is now the Indian Ocean. This collision caused dense rock slabs called slabs of subducted lithosphere to sink into the Earth's mantle. These ultra-dense rocks disturbed the flow of molten material inside the Earth, creating a dip in mass, and therefore a dip in gravity, right where the geoid low is today. Let's break it down. Earth's gravity isn't uniform, it depends on the mass beneath you. When dense rocks sink into the mantle, they pull gravity downward, creating a local gravitational low. Over time, this warps the shape of the planet, not just below but above in the oceans too. That's why in this part of the Indian Ocean the sea level dips like a giant invisible dent in the ocean's surface. The simulations confirmed this effect could only be explained by slabs of ancient oceanic crust sinking deep and altering the balance beneath the Indian Ocean. This discovery does more than just solve a mystery. It helps scientists understand how continents moved, how Earth's interior flows, and how gravity can change depending on deep-time tectonic events. It also shows how sensitive our planet is to ancient events. A collision that happened millions of years ago still shapes the ocean floor and the gravity field today. It's like Earth has a memory, etched in invisible forces that only science can reveal. The Indian Ocean gravity hole reminds us that our planet is full of secrets, some hidden in plain sight. And with every mystery solved, we get a little closer to understanding the deep, dynamic story of Earth. So the next time you look at a map, remember, beneath the waves, there are ancient scars still reshaping the world we live in. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.